Yesterday, I given how to access Java Bean with JSP. Three actions are there. First one, JSP colon use bean. Second one, JSP colon set property. Third one, JSP colon get property. See, first one, JSP colon use bean. Here B capital, here P capital, here P capital, compulsory. Noted. It is used to create an object of Java Bean. It is used to create an object of Java Bean. It is used to create an object of Java Bean. Syntax: JSP colon use bean. Attributes: JSP colon use bean. Here attributes: so JSP colon use bean. It is used to create an object of Java Bean. For creating object, this is required. It is open tag, it is close tag. It is equivalent to both open and close. Here we have to pass attributes. Now done. Attributes. First one, ID. Second one, class. Third one, scope. ID equal to your object reference. Class equal to class name. Scope equal to page scope, request scope, session scope, application scope. Page, request, session, application. ID equal to object reference. Class equal to class name. Scope equal to page, request, session, application. So here object reference you have to pass, here class name you have to pass. For this class object created, that object referred by this reference. And scope, page scope, request scope, session scope, application scope, in nothing but in core Java, public, private, protected, default you studied, no, that type only. This is separate program. I'll explain about the scope. Okay, that is just after this concept JSP EL you learn. There also same concept is there, scope. At that time I'll explain. So present ID and class we use, scope later we'll see. Say if you want to create an object of Java Bean, suppose yesterday we created one class message bean. For that, how to create object? See, you'll create like this. Package name I given demo dot message bean. MB equal to new demo dot message bean. Like this will create object. Here, this is will write in a scriptlet. Say, yesterday I created a message bean class, Java Bean name. Java Bean class name is message bean I written. That is inside a demo package. That is inside a demo package I given. Okay. So demo dot message bean. Message bean is a class. It is in demo package. So new demo dot message bean. Here message bean object created. That object referred by MB. That object referred by MB. Okay. Now this is, we can write in another way also. You know, like this. In page import equal to demo dot star. After this, message bean MB equal to new message bean. Like this you can write. Okay. Here in first line with a page directive. With a page directive, I imported demo package. After that, with scriptlet, I created object. So like this also valid, like this also valid. Now another style. Like this. JSP colon use bean MB equal to ID equal to MB. Class equal to message bean. Demo dot message bean. So like this you can write. You observe. Otherwise, first import the package. Page import equal to demo dot star. After this, JSP colon use bean ID equal to MB. Class equal to message bean. Now you observe these two previous concepts like a page directive and scriptlet, but this is action. Now as compared to this one, this is appears like a new style, no, HTML style. Say it is tag name, it is attribute, it is attribute, it is attribute value, it is attribute value, it is prefix. So as compared to this one appears new style. This is appears like a same core Java. In core Java also we created objects like this one, you know? So it appears like a core Java, but it is new style appears. New style. It is better appears, no? Right, this one. So it appears like a HTML, it appears like a Java. A new style appears. So it is a prefix, it is a tag name, it is an attribute, it is attribute value. Again attribute value. Over. So it is just like a HTML. It is just like a HTML. Over. See. Next one, set property. See, three actions are there. If you want to access Java Bean, we have three actions. First one, use bean. Second one, set property. Third one, get property. Use bean you have seen. Second one, JSP colon set property. It is used to call setter methods of a Java Bean. It is used to call setter methods of a Java Bean. Syntax. JSP colon set property. JSP colon set property. JSP colon set property. Here attributes. Attributes. It is used to call setter methods of a Java Bean. Setter methods you can call with this action. Setter methods of a Java Bean. So here attributes you can write here attribute. It is open tag, it is close tag. It is equivalent to both open and close. Just one forward slash if you write, it is treated as close. And here attributes you can write. Here also attributes. Attributes. Here one attribute is name. Name equal to attribute. Second one, property. Third one, value. Here, object reference you have to pass. Whatever we created object reference, that is we have to pass. Property. Property equal to property name. Here object reference. property equal to property name. It is property value. Name equal to object reference, property equal to property name, value equal to property value. So name equal to whatever we created object reference. Present we created MB. Message bin reference is MB written. That MB we ought write. Property equal to yesterday written message. Property name. That message. Value equal to whatever you want you can pass. For calling setter method. See yesterday setter getter methods are given. That setter getter method if you want to call normal without action. How to call? Without these actions, previous concepts. How will call scriptlet record or declaration record or expression record? Which one record? Scriptlet. What do you have to write? What do you have to write? Scriptlet. MB dot setter method. What is the setter method name? Set message. Something welcome. Like this will write. Okay. Say MB dot set message welcome. Like this will call setter method. So it is a scriptlet. Scriptlet MB dot set message welcome will write. Now this is another style. Another style you can write like this. JSP colon set property name equal to MB, property equal to message, value equal to welcome. This. See, this is appears like a Java. This is appears like a HTML. HTML type appears. It is a prefix. It is a tag name. It is attribute, attribute, attribute. These are attribute values. But these are attribute values must be in double quotes because it is JSP compulsory you have to follow. HTML without quotes also works, but JSP compulsory required. JSP follows XML rules. XML rule compulsory double quotes you have to write. Write this one. So like this you can write, like this you can write. It is old style, it is new style. Class yesterday we written message bin class. In the message bin class, one property we written. One property nothing but instance variable. Instance variable setter and getter methods. That is like a property. If you write like this, setter method called. If you write like this, setter method called. See, MB like message object reference. MB is a object reference. After that, your set property. Setter method is going to call which property? Message. For that property, value, welcome. So MB dot set message welcome. It appears like a normal Java. This total line appears like a HTML type, no? So HTML style appears. Now, next one, get property. JSP colon get property. It is used to call getter methods of a Java bean. It is used to call getter methods of a Java bean. Syntax. Syntax. JSP colon get property. JSP colon get property. Here attributes. JSP colon get property. It is open tag, it is close tag, it is prefix, it is a tag name. Or here two attributes are there. Attributes. Here name of the name, nothing but object reference property. Name property. Name equal to object reference. Property equal to property name. Name equal to object reference. Property equal to property name. Name equal to object reference. Property equal to property name. Suppose getter method, if you want to call, which element will write? Scriptlet, declaration, or expression? Scriptlet. What we have to write? Give me answer. Example. Scriptlet. What will write? MB dot get message. What is the return type of that message? String. Then what you have to write? String s equal to mb dot get message. After this, that is you have to print. How will write? Out dot println yes. But instead of this, expression better, no? Expression possible or not? Expression what will write? What will write? MB dot get message. That's it. Now it is inside the out dot print only comes. So MB dot get message, if you call, you will get a string. That string you are printing. But instead of writing like this, it is better, no? But one more style. Now, one more style. JSP colon get property. Here name equal to MB. Property equal to message. Like this. It is HTML type appears. Alright, this one. New style. So if you write like this also, get property, get message called, get property tag for calling getter methods, set property for calling setter methods. Now this complete program I'll show you in Eclipse. So total three actions are there: use bin, set property, get property. Okay, three actions: use bin, set property, get property. Use bin for creating object to a Java bin class. So with this use bin, you can create object to a Java bin class. Creating object, it is also valid, it is also valid, it is also valid, it is also valid. Now in these four, any one, like HTML style means this one, new style, like this is Java style. Okay. Now set property, it is used to call setter methods of a Java bin. It is setter methods if you want to call this one. Here you can write like this also, like this also. Get property message for calling getter methods of a Java bin. You can call like this also, like this also, like this also. It is action, it is scriptlet expression. Okay. Now suppose file, new, dynamic web project. You observe here dynamic web module version 5.0. These all settings don't change. If we change, path related errors comes. Because Tomcat 10.0 version, Tomcat 10.0, this is dynamic module web module 5 version. Here versions are there, see. Okay, these all you continue default settings whatever is there. Like Eclipse, so suppose Eclipse is old version, Tomcat is new version, it works. Tomcat in Eclipse is old, Tomcat is new, it doesn't work. That is, you have to check it out. And the Tomcat is new, old, Eclipse new, it works. It works. Okay. Those all compatibility problems comes. These all don't change settings whatever it comes by default. That is only continue. Okay. Now project name, sub bin. Now bin. Next, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen to the class, online students. Next. Here XML how to write also I'll show you. We can write XML file also for JSP. It is not compulsory. If you want, you can write. I'll show you. Say right click, like new, one class I'll write message will write message bin. Okay. For that, one package you can create. In that package you can create suppose package name, suppose bin. Okay, finish. Now in this one class I'll write. Now class name message bin. Now no main method. Finish. This is one class. Now class must be public. Okay, public is there. Next rule. What is next rule? Implements serializable. Okay, implement serializable. Now serializable package imported, that IO package. Next, must be in a package. It is in package. It is first rule, it is second rule, it is third rule. Constructor automatically comes. Fourth rule, instance variable. So string message. Okay. Now here you can right click here, source. Here generate getters and methods, setter and getters option. Okay. Now it will ask which one, message. Click on generate. Setter getter automatically comes. It is finished. Okay. So Just after writing private string message, just right click source here, generate setter and getters. If you click, for that automatically setter method, getter method generated. So writing Java bean is over. Okay, by default public comes. Now this one, if you want to access in JSP, new JSP file. Here, suppose bean.jsp, otherwise something other name I'll write. Test.jsp. Next, finish. If you want to access new style, if you want to write JSP colon use bean, ID equal to class equal to, like this you can write ID equal to suppose MB, class equal to demo dot message bean. Okay, this is one class. So demo dot message bean class, that object reference created. Okay, demo dot object reference created. Next, JSP colon set property. Set property name equal to MB, like a property equal to message, value equal to welcome. JSP colon get property name equal to MB, property equal to message. This is get property. Okay, now see, if I run on server, save, say finish. Here, what is the file name I given? Test.jsp. That class. Undefined type. This is WebInf year required. 1 minute. Class name message bean only written. Message bean. Bean file package name. Package name what I've given? Bean. Package name bean I given here. Okay, package name bean I given. That's the reason bean required. Now right click, run as on server. Next, finish. On test.jsp. See, we got a welcome. Here, if you want to write, even if you want to write XML, that XML configuration possible. This web.xml, it is actually not required. Still, if you want to write, we can write. So what we'll do is Solid tag. Like Solid name will write something demo. Here JSP file name test.jsp. Now solid mapping. Here again solid name. Demo. Here URL pattern. Suppose I'm writing ABC. You can write whatever you want. Now, instead of test.jsp, you can execute with ABC also. See, now it is possible. Right click, run on server. It actually configuration is not required. Configuration is not required. Even if you want, you can write. See, test.jsp also works. ABC also works. Okay. Here, if you want to add colors, all those things, HTML again. BG color, yellow, text, blue. These all HTML code. Right click, run on server, save. Test.jsp also you can execute, and even ABC also you can execute. See, okay, both are valid. Now message bean.java, this is yesterday written. This is no need to write. Test.jsp nodal. Test.jsp. say with this first line, what is happened? Object created to message bin class. Okay. With this first line, object created to this class. This class is available in this package. Okay. So you return class demo package, you write demo only otherwise in the notes, because already this one yesterday you written demo. Okay, just you make it demo only otherwise. Now here object created for message bin class. Object created for message bin class. Okay. Now here message bin class object created in this line. That object referred by MB. That object referred by MB. Here we are writing only MB I written, class name I written. For this object created, that object referred by MB. Like that you should understand. Okay. So I written ID equal to something, class equal to something. For this class, this is object reference created. Like that you should understand. In first line, message bin class object created. Second line, what is happened? Setter method called. So this welcome passed as a parameter to setter method here. This is setter method. So welcome comes here. That welcome comes here. Is it local variable or instance variable or a class variable? Local variable received. This local variable placed in which variable this is? Instance variable. So this variable value placed in this variable, because this dot message equal to message. Okay. Next, in this line, get property method called. This is called return message return. Now this is XML configuration. Write XML configuration also. It is not compulsory. Just one program, note down better. Unnecessary things I'll remove. Write this one, web.xml. If you want to configure JSP, you have to configure like this. If you want to configure JSP, you can configure like this. JSP file tag you have to write. In the here, actually what will write? Solids. Only this line is different. Remaining all same lines, no? Only one line different. There what we written previously? Solid class. Only solid class we written. Solid class plus JSP file. That's it. One line only different. Only solid class. That's it. Solid class plus JSP file. Remaining is same. So only one line different. Solid class place your right JSP file. Is it over? See, actually, this is configuration is not required. Reason we are writing file name only in the address bar. Instead of file name, if you want to write any other name, you can write URL pattern. Okay. For solids mapping, why it is compulsory we are writing is capital letters we are writing, no? Solid class name. That is the reason instead of that we'll use URL pattern. But if this is file name only we'll write. Okay. It is not compulsory. No. This is about JSP using Java Beans. Now again this JSP using actual usage of Java Bean while teaching MVC I'll explain. Actual usage of Java Bean while teaching MVC. After completion of JSP, I'll teach that one, MVC. Next, how many actions total? 9. How many completed? Total, how many actions? 9. What are those? Forward, include, use bean, set property, get property. Next, plugin, fallback, params, param. Okay. So 9 actions are there, 5 actions completed. Remaining 4 not important, only syntax I'll give because that is applet purpose. Applets are already stopped to use. So next 6. Next JSP using applets. To access an applet, in JSP, we use the following actions. First one, JSP colon plugin, JSP colon fallback, JSP colon params, JSP colon param. To access an applet in a JSP, we use the following actions. JSP colon plugin, JSP colon fallback, JSP colon params, JSP colon param. First one, JSP colon plugin. It is used to include an applet in a JSP. It is used to include an applet in a JSP. It is used to include an applet in a JSP. Syntax. JSP colon plugin, JSP colon plugin. JSP using applets. So it is not important, just only syntax I'll give, because again, if you want to learn this one, applet also you have to learn. Okay, applets already stopped to use. So in future, some other components also we can include. That purpose plugin we can use. JSP using applets. To access an applet in JSP, we use the following actions. One is plugin, second one fallback, third one params, fourth one param. First one you are learning plugin. It is used to include an applet in a JSP. Okay. Here, open tag, close tag. Instead of that, one tag like a plugin, just one slash, this type. Year attributes, year attributes. Say year plugin, year attributes you can write. It is open tag, it is both open and close tags. One slash, if you write, the slash indicates close tag. That is XML syntax actually. Attributes. First one, type equal to. Second one, code. Third one, width. Fourth one, height. These 4 attributes. Type equal to applet type. In future, some other resources also we can include. That purpose, that's what applet you have, right? Code equal to class name, applet class name. Applet is going to run in browser. Applet width, applet height you can specify. Width equal to number of pixels. Height equal to number of pixels. So type equal to applet, code equal to applet class name, width equal to number of pixels, height equal to number of pixels. Say it is browser window. In this browser window, only this part you want to run applet. Then applet width, applet height you have to specify here. And this class name you have to specify here. Then what will happen? This part is applet, remaining part is HTML. That purpose. Applet runs in browser. So in a browser window, how many pixels width, how many pixels height required for applet? That is you have to specify here. In that place, applet runs. Remaining part is HTML. That purpose. Type equal to, just you have to specify applet. Code equal to applet class name. That class name you have to write. Width equal to how many pixels you want. Height equal to how many pixels you want. That is you can specify. Okay. Example. JSP colon plugin. Type equal to applet. Double quotes compulsory attribute values. Type equal to applet. Code equal to class name. For example, my applet. Width equal to suppose 400 pixels. Height equal to 400 pixels. So like this you can write. JSP colon plugin, type equal to applet, code equal to my applet, width equal to 400 pixels, height equal to 400 pixels. So my applet class included in this area. Width 400, height 400. Second one, fallback. JSP colon fallback. It is used to display user-friendly error message. It is used to display user-friendly error message. It is used to display user-friendly error message. Syntax. JSP colon fallback and no attributes here. No attributes. JSP colon fallback. That's it. Here user-friendly error message. User-friendly error message. See, fallback open, fallback close. We have only one syntax for this. Here, in between, you have to write user-friendly error message. Okay, like a forward slash, you cannot write here. For this, only one syntax, because in between something we have to write. That is the reason one syntax. So fallback open, fallback close. No attributes in this tag. Now in between you can write user-friendly error message. One more thing, this action must be inside the plugin action. Write this one. This action must be in a plugin action only. JSP colon plugin action only. This action must be in a JSP colon plugin action only. This action must be in a JSP colon plugin action only. This is only for plugin purpose only. In other locations, you cannot write. See. User-friendly error message. Write it. User-friendly error message is displayed whenever browser is unable to load an applet. Unable to load an applet. User-friendly error message is displayed whenever browser is unable to load an applet. User-friendly error message is displayed whenever browser is unable to load an applet. So any problem comes in the browser window, in that situation only this is displayed. Otherwise it doesn't work if any problem comes. Okay. Third one, JSP colon params. JSP colon params. It is used to write JSP colon param actions. So it doesn't do anything. Params, it will take params. That's it. Syntax. JSP colon params. In between param actions you can write. JSP colon param actions. Param actions you can write in params action. So parameters you can specify with param, that is you can write in params. But only param you cannot write. Param must be in params. So these param actions, you can write n number of, but those all must be inside the params. These params also must be inside the plugin only. Write it, note down. This action must be in JSP colon plugin action only. This action must be in JSP colon plugin action only. This action must be in JSP colon plugin action only. Now, fourth one, JSP colon param. It is used to specify the parameter name with value. It is used to specify the parameter name with value. Syntax: JSP colon param, JSP colon param, or JSP colon param. Here you can specify attributes. JSP colon param, open, it is close. It is open tag, it is close tag, it is both attributes you can write. Is it over? Say attributes. Two attributes are there, name and value. Name equal to parameter name. Value equal to parameter value. Parameter name, parameter value. This one we can retrieve in a applet. Through JSP we can pass, we can retrieve in applet. Parameter name, parameter value. Name of the parameter you have to write, value of the parameter you have to write. This one we can retrieve in applet. Is it over? Next, write it. Example. Example. JSP colon param, name equal to suppose message, value equal to suppose welcome. JSP colon param, name equal to message, value equal to welcome. This action must be in JSP colon params action only. Other place you cannot write. This action must be in JSP colon params action only. This parameter name value will write with this name, we can get the value. So this parameter can be retrieved. This parameter can be retrieved in JSP. See in applet, this parameter can be retrieved in applet by using get parameter method of java.applet.applet class. This parameter can be retrieved in applet by using get parameter method of java.applet.applet class. See, complete all I'll include in one program. Say example. Now don't write, I'll give time for writing. This parameter can be retrieved in applet by using get parameter method of java.applet.applet class. Now I want to include applet. Which element required? Which action required? JSP colon. Which one required to include applet? Just now given. No? Which action required to include applet? Plugin. Plugin open. Plugin close. Okay. Here we can write attributes. Now type equal to, we have to write applet. Code equal to, we have to write class name. Suppose for example my applet. Width of the applet 400. Height of the applet 400. Suppose like this is written. Now here I want to pass one parameter. I want to pass one parameter. For writing parameter, which action record? Param. But param can we write that? No. Param must be in params. Params must be in plugin. So JSP colon params. JSP colon params. In between JSP colon param. Name of the parameter, suppose message. Value of the parameter, suppose welcome. Like this. While running this program, if any problem occurred, I want to display user-friendly error message. Fallback. That is JSP colon fallback. Any one message you can write between fallbacks. Suppose unable to load an applet. Now this applet executed in browser window with 400 pixels width, 400 pixels height. While loading, if any problem occurred, this message comes. After that, this message, whatever I'm passing through JSP, applet can receive. This program can receive. That program we can call get parameter method. This welcome comes there. JSP to applet we can pass. Like a JSP HTML will mix, no, that type only. This welcome will be received by applet. Applet can display. That purpose we use. It is not important. It is almost outdated. But in future, plugin not only for applet. That's what I given this example. So applet, not only applet, other also we can use. That type equal to at that time other resource we can write. Write this one example. Okay. Total 9 actions. First action, forward, to forward the request and response to one JSP to another JSP. Include, to include the request and response of one JSP to another JSP. 3 actions for bean class, Java bean. These 4 actions for applets. Okay. Tomorrow you'll see continuation. Next, online students. Sangamesh. Yeah, numbers also you can write, but it will be considered as string only. Others, that actually name value I didn't write in arithmetic application. No? Yeah, spring boot is different. Those separate attributes will be there. Separate tags will be there. 1 minute online students.